Now recording the demo video for MIST4620 Deliverable 10. As you can see here, we're on the main dashboard for the Habitat for Humanity app. And on this dashboard, we simply have one day pickup report that shows the general pickup information for that day. And as you can see here, we've already inputted some example data. We can then work to edit some of these right from here, or we can go to the calendar. I'm going to show the calendar first. So on the calendar tab, you can see the pickups for any specific day. Scrolling through here, for example, if you hover over this, you will find the account that it's linked to. There you go, the account that it's linked to, the account that it's linked to, as well as this one, which is the one we're going to be working with. And you can view the calendar by day, week, month, or as a table, but here we're going to stick to week. Here you can edit the pickup for this by clicking on edit, and then, for example, we're just going to change the start time to be at 3 p.m. and end at 3:30 p.m. and then click on save. As you can see, it's been saved, and now the calendar should reflect an updated pickup. The next thing we're going to look at is the reports section. So you simply click on the reports tab, and you can click on any specific report that you want to see. Here we'll look at the refused donations report. The refused donation report shows the total number of records as well as the date the donation was intended to occur, the account ID and name, the contact, as well as what was refused and the address for it. You can edit what you see on the report by going on Edit. And then you can decide if you want to keep a column or remove it or move it over, as well as add a new column by searching for it here and adding it in. But for the sake of time, we're not going to mess with this. The next thing we're going to look at is leads. So when you look at the leads, it opens on the all open leads page, but you can decide which thing you would like to view specifically, but we're going to stick to the all open leads. Here we can look at the example one that was created earlier today, and if you'd like to edit anything about that lead, you can simply click on edit. For example, here we're going to change their name. Right here, and then click save, and it should reflect right there. The next thing we're going to look at is opportunities. Again, everything's already been created for us, and we're going to look at this one right here. So we've already created it, but we can edit it by simply clicking on the drop down arrow and clicking on edit. And here we can edit their name as well, just to keep it simple. Click on save. And it should be reflected right there. Lastly, we have accounts. And this is simply to either make a new account or to update a pre-existing one. For example, we're just going to work with this example that was already created. Click on edit. And we'll just change their phone number. Right there, click on save. And it should be reflected right there, as you can see. So that was a quick little demo for this, and for more details, just feel free to look at the user manual.